Now they're starting steam.
Yeah.
Steam.
Yeah. Getting hot.
It's yeah. It's now. It's like smoking.
Staalfabriek.
Yeah.
Zit er
Nou, hij heeft de leidingen.
bij ons.
Ja.
Steam.
Sometimes a disaster, sometimes it's free. Oh, you take the long way to stay close to me. I don't wanna know, I just wanna breathe. You can take me higher, you stay close to me. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't close my eyes. Yeah, I feel so alive, feel so alive. Oh, we chase the night. Oh, I feel so alive, feel so alive. The dark won't close my eyes.
So testing ta sa emergency node heater. Stop, emergency stop sa heater.
This one,
Yeah.
the no-stop ketel, and the ventilator. They're all in one. So you just press that, and you can hear everything stops.
Yeah,
The heater stops.
the heater stop.
Yeah. Only the oil pump keeps running. Fuel emergency stop.
A fuel.
Yeah. Never touch it unless the captain said so.
Yeah.
Because otherwise the engines will stop and that's bad.
Yeah. So you just push the not stop ventilator and then
Yeah, you pull it back out.
pull it back again.
Yeah.
And then
Close the door again.
close door and then start again in the
Yeah. Now we have to start again.
start again to make a heater.
Right now all the Christmas lights are on again.
Yeah, on.
Reset. And it starts again.
Reset la. Only reset ha.
Only reset.
Okay.
Now that one's back on.
Yeah.
Now it's running again. That's good.